it's Spence, the evil genius, from Widget Laboratory with your lab secrets tip of the day. Today I'm going to give you a special treat. I'm going to show you how to create a private page template that you can utilize across any page that you create on your site. And this tutorial will also work for private blog posts. The concept is that we have multiple layers, as we talked about in previous tutorials, of how to protect your content. So this morning we got a call from one of our customers who's building another site with a lab secret solution, and he wanted to know if he could create a specific page that was protected so that it was only shown to people who were registered members who were already logged into the site. Now, of course, you can protect the content using Lab Protect, or you can use one of our other global solutions. But this is a way to make a special template that's designed to show content only to members and let you put some flourishes on it. So let me show you how it works and then show you how easy it is to set up. It's really just a copy paste. First of all, we've got a sample page here over at the Lab Secret Solution demo site. And you can see here that I'm logged in and I go over to this page called Private Page Template. And when I do, I see this. However, if I switch over to a browser where I am not logged in, you'll notice on the right, this is the message that I'll get. Sorry, this is only available to members. The idea is that you're redirecting somebody who has not logged into your site to a special landing page where you can put any kind of message or content. In particular, we always recommend this would be a good spot to put something like, why don't you join now? And then you have the link to the registration page. But let me show you how the mechanics of this work, and then we can spiff it up with the last couple minutes of this tutorial. So if I go back over here to my admin dashboard, you can see here that basically what I do is I have a regular blog post, a regular page posting editor set up here, and I can put anything I want in this content so as to display it on this page. I can even put, regular images. I could put content within content. It's just a regular page. The secret to this whole entire process is over here on the right side. You see under attributes, let me close this window. You have your parent, which you can decide where this page is located, but then you have template. The beauty of the Lab Secret solution is that with WordPress underneath it, you could create any number of custom templates and use them at will. It's almost like having a deck of playing cards where you can choose to pull out a heart or a spade or a club or a diamond or a king of hearts or queen. Whatever you want, you can set up in multiple layers and build the hand that you like. So in this case, we built a private page, which is basically the ordinary template, but then we threw in a function that checks to see whether or not somebody's a logged in registered member. And that's real simple. If I go over here, again, these are some snips that we're going to put into the show notes, but if I go over here to my text editor, you can see I have two files. One is a template page and one is a functions page. Now, before you glaze over and all get freaked out about this, remember, you're not going to have to write code here. You're just going to copy and paste. So the way it works is, if you go to the FTP editor in your site, or you use a third-party FTP editor, you're going to do two things. First of all, you're going to take the template for the private page that we've already created for you, and you're going to just drop it into place. All that is basically the ordinary page template, but what we've done is added one line of code to the top of it. Right here at the very top, PHP do action walled page. Okay? The second thing we've done is we've gone to our functions file, which again is located right here. So you've got template private page, and then you've got functions PHP. And when you open up the functions PHP, we've just added this little blip of code, which again, you're going to copy and paste right at the bottom. And that basically says, look to see whether somebody's logged in as a user. And if they are, go ahead and send them through to the page. If they are not, send them to a page called unavailable. And you can change the name of that to whatever you want. But in this case, we've gone ahead and made a special redirect page, which sends people over to a page we've called unavailable. So in this case, let me find that real quick. And the title of the page says, sorry, this is available only to members. But basically, this is the result when somebody gets sent over here. We'll put the notes in detail in the show notes, but just wanted to give you a basic run through of how this works. Very powerful stuff and part of your lab secret solution.